So welcome back everybody to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make this egg basket. Very easy and quick to achieve. If you want to see how I made it, just stay tuned. I'm using a worsted medium yarn number 4 and 4mm crochet hook. Starting with the slip knot, I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2. In the first chain from the hook, I'm going to make 5 single crochet. I'm going to join to the beginning of the chain 1 with a slip stitch. Round 2, I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch, which will make it 10 stitches. And I'm going to join again. Row 3, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch. I'm going to do the same till the end of the round. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then I'll join with a slip stitch at the end. Now round 4, 2 single chain 1, 2 single crochet as always in the first stitch. Now what I'm gonna do is 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in the following stitch. So I'm increasing the single crochet in every stitch by 1, means 1 and 1. So to keep the circle flat, again I'll repeat 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Don't forget to look at the written pattern so you can follow clearly with the video if you are a beginner. So I'll continue the same till the end of the round again, and then slip stitch. Round 5, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and now we're increasing again, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Again 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, And again I'm gonna continue the same and slip stitch at the end, join with a slip stitch. So I'm gonna do 9 rounds. In every round I will increase the single crochet in every stitch by 1. Means like now I have in round 5 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Round 6 I'm gonna have 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Round 7 I'm gonna have 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and so on. Again, check the written pattern. Every round will have the right increase for it. Yeah, so I'll finish the 9 rounds and I'll meet you to show you what to do next to shape the basket. So now I'm done with the with the 9 rounds. What I'm gonna do next is chain 1 for round 10 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. So in every stitch I will make 2 single crochet to expand the basket the maximum. So round 10 is 2 single crochet in every stitch till the end of the round. So I'm at the end of the round and I will join with a slip stitch again. So this is around 10 how it looks like, so you don't get confused while working. So now for the next 9 rows, from the next row till the 9th row, I'm gonna work 1 single crochet in every stitch. You have the choice whether to work in spiral or you want to close every round and chain 1 and single crochet in every round. So simple, chain 1, single crochet in every round for the next 9 rounds. And that's all you need to do. So this is the basket at the end of round 9, and this is how it looks like from all the sides. Very simple and easy to make in less than an hour. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you just control the round in the beginning, whether you want 9 rounds or 10 or less. It depends on you how big or small. And then once you are done with the width, then you start shaping it into a small basket, round basket like this. So I hope the tutorial was easy to follow and you'll try it. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.